What's up, y'all? Damn it, I already fucked up. Welcome back to E&D Feast the Nation.
It's your girl, Allie Bunny.
And your boy, the real Diff. We are here with another video. Anyway, we are self-quarantining here.
Outside, apparently.
Well, as you can see, I don't really have many neighbors, so I'm not worried about, you know, quarantining next to people. But we do have some older folks that live up behind us, and we are here trying to stay safe, obviously, and trying to avoid other people getting sick and whatnot. But we're not being selfish with masks. We don't have too much toilet tissue.
We got 4 rolls.
Yes, and I'll just go buy some more when that runs out, honestly.
Okay.
Well, Buddha's hungry, and we're probably gonna go feed her and be right back with you. So, here in my backyard, you know what I hate more than Lamborghinis?
Knowledge.
Bricks.
See, I don't know what about. Did you know that jumping?
You're so adorable.
Say, love you, Daddy.
Love you, Daddy.
Oh, I love you too, baby. She's so adorable, isn't she? Seriously, she's adorable.
No, we're not ready.
Here we are. E&D Feast the Nation. Early in the morning. Smelling trains and puppies.
Quarantine.
Yeah. Quarantine everything around here. You can quarantine these damn puppies too. Guess you guys can say hello to the Shepherd Squad. Ah, somebody's shitting. Anyway. I'm headed to Walmart. Wally World, whatever you guys want to call it, and see if I can find me some toilet paper. I will see y'all when I get there. So we are at Wally Fart. We are going to try to get supplies. You gotta take care of yourself. So. See, if you come here for cleaning supplies, which it says, all empty, of course, but you expect that, it's Walmart, so alright, trying to catch it when there's not too many people. There's a lot of other stuff, not to get me wrong, you still got cleaning, but all the actual stuff you need, like Lysol and stuff like that, is obsolete. This is still the toilet paper aisle, so each day. I don't even think they're gonna put stuff out, but 9 times out of 10, it's just because they run out so fast. They got like regular paper towels, but I don't think they're gonna put toiletry out. Or if they do put it out, it goes so fast when they open up. That's the end, so. Let's see what else they got down here. Bounty. See? Oh. I mean, it is what it is. Got a few things. So I have some cleaning stuff, but I'm gonna be back with you in a minute. Well, here I am. Finally back, people. The sister on the blog. Anyway, we'll be back with y'all as soon as I'm done with this quick haul. Probably won't be quick, but anyway. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the blog. It's your boy, the real Diff, on E&D Feast the Nation. Checking on you guys to see how you guys are doing. You guys let me know in the comment section what you guys got going on during this pandemic is what we call it. Checking back in. It's been a while since we had a video going on, but we are making progress. So the best thing is we have babies to keep us busy. What's up? Anyway, we are trying to stay busy during this pandemic. You guys let me know what you guys want to see next coming up in the near future on E&D Feast of Nation. You guys let me know, because we got a lot of stuff going on that could possibly happen. Shout out to all my Rastafarians, all Brooklyn, be more, yeah, represent. Check in, keep up.
No,
She's so gorgeous, isn't she?
She'll
Pretty
either
girl.
pay you or pay me. Because to be honest, we both are the reason these dogs piss and shit outside.
Yes.
I made the schedule and you just followed it.
We are a team. But in the meantime, at least we got buddies to keep us busy until they go home and find homes. By the time y'all see this video, they're probably all gone. But if not, I guess I'll keep you updated. All that lovely good stuff. Actually, her description will be all of hers. Instas, all the beautiful glorinesses. There we are, out here quarantined.
My arm inside his mouth, but he didn't have to bite my arm. Dino was chasing me.
I had another head up.
Easy. Kayla, say hi to YouTube. Teenager Kayla, say hi to YouTube.
Welcome to E&D Feast of Nation.